Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. Today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video. So starting out in the 4-hour time frame, guys, it's been some time now because it's just the markets have been kind of boring lately. So that's why I haven't uploaded in a more consistent basis because of the sideways action. And when you have sideways action, usually you get the same answer. So in order for me to not make multiple videos saying almost the same thing, I would prefer for the market to at least do a little bit more movements in order to determine patterns and different things, in order to not say almost the same things in a couple of days. But since right now it's been some time now, I will update you guys on this Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video. So right here, guys, starting out right here in the 4-hour time frame, we can see here that the Bitcoin price formed this inverse head and shoulders. Like I mentioned, it met the exact price target, very beautiful, and then pulled back. And so then you can see right here this line over here. all of these lines, you can see here resistance here, resistance. It broke out here, trying to confirm this as support. Like you can see right here, right? resistance, and then broke out, tried to confirm that support, but didn't hold support, so it broke down, then held support on this orange line, which is a Fibonacci retracement. That's why it held support right there. So first, congratulations, guys, if you traded this trading opportunity using my trading opportunity right there. This is around a 14% gain right there, 13% gain. And so congratulations, guys. So I'm gonna delete this right now. There, and there, here, and here. So this line, I'm going to delete it. Let's see something right here, if it's holding some confluence. Kind of, no, I'm just gonna draw a new line right there. So here in the 4-hour time frame, you can see here, I'm going to the daily time frame, guys, just to so much consolidation right there. So here in the daily time frame, guys, so this is very interesting because you can see right here, guys, these 3 pink lines are like I keep mentioning, guys, like these are no joke. Those are strong supports and resistances. Right here, the Bitcoin price just psych, ignore it and ignore it again. But if you go into the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the consistency. Like, look at this. It's very consistent. Let's go over here. Resistance there, broke out, and like a month ago, I said, like in the previous month, or it was from January to February, between those months, something very similar happened right here. Like you saw, it's been like 1 to 2 months since since this scenario I'm going to explain happened. So right here, usually when you see this breakout to the upside without retesting these 3 pink lines, you just see this straight breakout to the upside. You have to be very cautious because usually the Bitcoin price likes retesting those lines before it's going to continue going higher or even lower, depending on which direction it's breaking, if it's to the downside or to the upside. So right here, I didn't mention it, but here I mentioned it like from January to February. The last time it happened, it was around here. The scenario I'm going to explain to you guys right now. But this scenario, when you see this breakout to the upside, like you have to be very cautious because Bitcoin price will have a very high likely scenario to come back to at least retest this first 2 lines or even the first line right here before going higher. But you can see that the Bitcoin price retests this 3 pink lines, but even went lower. Like it was very drastic. But since it has been already tested, then that's out of the way. But you can see that there's very strong support. You can see resistance there, resistance there. Like it's very clear. And finally then it finally broke out like this. But after that, look at that. Without retesting those levels, and look at boom. Resistance, boom, resistance. Breakout again without retesting those three pink lines, going in a very steady manner. Then resistance again, support, resistance. Just look at that, it's there. Look at that's strong resistance. Like if, for example, if it would have done this, then that would be a clean breakout. But it keeps like breaking out like this. It's weird because you have a lot of resistance, and then out of nowhere, boom, break out the upside, and then come back here, and again a lot of resistance, and then boom, break out again, and just comes back again there with resistance again. So it's just usually, let's see, it would be good if it just does this and just keeps going like this. This will be a healthy continuation to the upside like that. But it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin can do almost anything it wants it to do because it's by code. It's a combination of people investing and an algorithm doing the price action by itself. So it's a combination of both. So right here, guys, I just wanted to mention about the three pink lines right there. So strong support, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the support levels and resistance levels right here very quickly. But before that, I just wanna also mention this. I mentioned here the Bitcoin price is following this funny wedge, broke out. It's confirming around these levels. It's still on its way. This pattern is still valid. What is the price target? All the way up to its previous all-time highs around the $69,250 around that level. So let's see right here. So the Bitcoin price was forming this W pattern right here, but got rejected again, and now I will say that this double bottom scenario is invalidated. I will say that right now. I'm just going to delete that because this doesn't look like a double bottom anymore. It looks like this. Let's see. I use the wicks because most of the times using the wicks has confluence with the Bitcoin price, even with the volatility. Okay, there are some exceptions with the wicks, like for example this one. That I don't count that wick. That was real drastic, like real. This is still valid because you can see Bitcoin price is still following like. Also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and cryptocurrencies of your choice. Also, you get technical analysis updates for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and potential cryptocurrencies of your choice 5 days a week. Complete overview of the cryptocurrency market 2 times per week. Start of the week and end of the week. Elite VIP crypto investor Discord group chat. Live updates where I tell you my buying targets and my selling targets immediately when I do them in the exact moment. And you get to see when I buy and when I sell cryptocurrencies in live time. Live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, which is and podcast where I complete an overview of the cryptocurrency markets. And also I will tell you with a high certainty the Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty during Bitcoin cycles and in the long term. So if you are interested in regards of having a person who can lead you to the correct cryptocurrency path with a high certainty, then you can click in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get a 10% discount when starting out this month. And at the same time, you get access to my complete overview of the cryptocurrency market. And also I can teach you how to navigate with this market so you can have an edge at the cryptocurrency market as time passes. And at the same time, you get to learn how to look at the cryptocurrency market with a professional overview. This resistance support here got rejected. And also I just remember, guys, also you have this big head and shoulders pattern right here, but as I mentioned, guys, I believe that head and shoulders pattern is not going to complete the price target all the way down around this $15,000 target for the Bitcoin price. Okay, the only, no, I think that's not going to happen. Okay, just the only scenario we like say can happen, even if it's almost impossible, is for the stock market to just pull back like 90% or 80%. Then I would say that this $50,000 price target for this Bitcoin price would definitely most likely be met. But that's also another not the most likely scenario for the stock market to crash 80 to 90%. Not now, not now, but eventually maybe, but not that drastically. But yeah, let's see. But for the moment, that's not the most likely scenario. So you can see that head and shoulders, the neckline is around here, the support here, kind of support there, broke support, confirm resistance there, and resistance there, and boom. Oh my gosh, like look at that. Just that's why this neckline is still valid, because the Bitcoin price got rejected 3 times on that neckline around here. Just it's very clear right there. And so using this like a bearish flag scenario, you can see here the support resistance here, resistance, support, resistance there, and here. So this is a consolidation territory for the Bitcoin price right now. So when is the Bitcoin price going to start pumping to the upside? So first, guys, Bitcoin price is in a consolidation, and right now, until 2 things happen, the price will remain the same. If these 2 things doesn't happen, the price will remain the same consolidation. It's very summarized. This is a support here, support and support. Okay, if the Bitcoin price can hold around this $35,350 level, it will still remain in this bear flag. And if it loses that support, then this is a bear flag, but it's kind of weird. But at this, just to be conservative here, this will be the price target right here. If it breaks down, okay, if it loses a support, the technical price target for that pattern will be all the way down around here, this $23,500 level right there. Okay, that will be the price target here. Okay, that will be if it breaks this support. Okay, using the technical targets, but at the same time, it's a very doozy because I'm going to pull out at the same time another historical, very, very important support level. I'm going to mention right here. This is the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve right here. So this is an historical indicator. So this is the ultimate support. So the last support, okay, right here, in regards of maintaining this bullish price action that Bitcoin price has done since its beginning, it will be all the way down right here on this $30,600 level. The more the Bitcoin price consolidates and keeps going higher, the higher the support level will get. So still, here are the price targets. So if the Bitcoin price breaks to the upside, breaks this resistance around here, around this $47,580 level, then expect for the Bitcoin price to go all the way up to around this $60,500 level for the Bitcoin price right there. And so that will be the technical price target, maybe higher. Let's see right there. I'm just adjusting this technical price target right there. It will be all the way up around this $71,115 level, okay? If the Bitcoin price breaks this resistance right there. And so guys, also Right now you can see that the Bitcoin price is still holding support using the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, which is a very, very important indicator using in the Bitcoin price. It's a very important. Okay, it gives you both very strong support and resistances. Like you see right here, these lines are like gray lines over here. Those are supports. So you can see the confluence, like boom, support there, support, 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 support. Like it's there. Okay, but the only not so good thing is that the more the Bitcoin price is just struggling to hold that as support. Okay, so that's not good. Okay, the more the price action touches a support or resistance or both of both, the more likely it is to break to either side. So if this support doesn't hold, expect for immediate support around this $37,284 level. That will be very strong support. This is a Fibonacci trace and the 0.6. No, this is a 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, this will be again the strong support will be around this $37,285 level right there. And if that doesn't hold support, expect for the Bitcoin price to find support around this $35,500 level. Okay. And if by just any chance the very, very low likely scenario for the moment or the most exaggerated scenario, then expect for the Bitcoin price to hold support around this legacy logarithmic growth curve around this 30,008. Let's see, $30,580 level for the Bitcoin price right there. That would be very, very strong support historically. Okay. So those are very strong supports. So, and strong resistance will be met all the way down, oh my gosh, all the way up. The resistance around here. Let's see. These orange lines you see right here, these are Fibonacci retracements. These are Fibonacci retracements. Those are the 0.618 Fibonacci retracements and the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement right here. It will be all the way up around the $42,816 level and the $44,080 level. Those will be very, very strong resistance. Okay, right there, because both you can see right there on the orange lines, those Fibonacci retracements, and at the same time you see it using this trading range right there and right there. Okay, so in summary, guys, strong supports around this Fibonacci retracement, this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement around the $37,280 level. The net support, the next very strong support would be all the way down to the $35,380 level, and the last legacy support right there for the moment in the short term and mid term, it will be all the way down to the $30,580 level on this range right here. Okay, those will be the supports. The resistances will be all the way up, like I showed you guys right there, using the 0.618 Fibonacci retracements around this $44,080 level, and the next and the other strong resistance will be all the way up around the 42,000, around the 0.65 Fibonacci retracements around the $42,820 level. Okay, right here. Okay, and using the pattern right here, this is like an asymmetrical kind of triangle wedge, but for the moment, support here, resistance and resistance. So this, if this will be the resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, and if it breaks down, okay, this is a technical price target. Okay, doesn't mean it's going to complete, but it will be all the way down around this $23,500 level. And if this pattern breaks down in a bullish way, then expect for the Bitcoin price around here, breaks this resistance around this $48,000 level, then expect for this bullish continuation to the upside all the way up to around this price level, around this 60,800. No, wait. I want this 71. I want this $61,000 level right there for the Bitcoin price, guys. So yeah, let's see right here using the simple moving averages. Just strong consolidation, and wow, beautiful confluence. This orange line, this orange simple moving average in the daily time frame, which is the 100 simple moving average in the daily time frame for the Bitcoin price. This has beautiful confluence with this resistance on the 0.65 Fibonacci tracing right there. Okay, this 42 around this $42,800 level right there. Okay, so yeah, guys, right now that's what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price. Unless it breaks support or resistance, the Bitcoin price will just remain in this range until it finally decides to just break down, lose the support, or just break out of this resistance and go up. Okay, that's how it is. So that's the truth about this. So no fluff, that's how it works. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this YouTube video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoy this YouTube video, guys, and find it very informational and very educational, make sure to share this YouTube video with your friends and with the people who also share cryptocurrency interest. And at the same time, guys, if you would like to for me to talk about other cryptocurrencies, specific cryptocurrencies, you can leave it in the comments below, where I can look up in the comments and see which cryptocurrencies I can cover, depending on the time frames and depending how much that cryptocurrency has been in the technical side of the market. So right now, guys, I would really appreciate if you can like this video, share it, and share this YouTube video, guys. Comment what you guys want me to talk about. I will verify if I want to talk about that, depending on what you guys comment and want me to talk about. And at the same time, guys, also I really appreciate for you watching this YouTube video, guys. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And also, guys, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and cryptocurrencies of your choice. Also, you get technical analysis updates for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and potential cryptocurrencies of your choice 5 days a week. Complete overview of the cryptocurrency market 2 times per week. Start of the week and end of the week. Elite VIP crypto investor Discord group chat. Live updates where I tell you my buying targets and my selling targets immediately when I do them in the exact moment. And you get to see when I buy and when I sell cryptocurrencies in live time. Live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, which is and podcast where I complete an overview of the cryptocurrency markets. And also I will tell you with a high certainty the Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty during Bitcoin cycles and in the long term. So if you are interested in regards of having a person who can lead you to the correct cryptocurrency path with a high certainty, then you can click in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get a 10% discount when starting out this month. And at the same time, you get access to my complete overview of the cryptocurrency market. And also I can teach you how to navigate with this market, so you can have an edge at the cryptocurrency market as time passes, and at the same time you get to learn how to look at the cryptocurrency market with a professional overview. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.